Hello and welcome to Deck Builders St. Louis, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to keep things simple and talk about seasonal deck maintenance. St. Louis weather swings from hot, sunny summers to cold, wet winters, and your deck feels all of it. A few basic checks and cleanups each year can help your deck last longer and stay safer, whether it is wood, composite, or a mix of surfaces. We will start with a spring checkup after the worst of winter is past. Walk your deck slowly and look for soft spots, cracked boards, or raised fasteners. Gently push on railings and guard posts to see if anything moves. Check stair treads and handrails for looseness. If you feel wobble, hear creaks, or see rot, those are signs that parts of the structure or rails need attention. Fixing these early can prevent bigger problems later in the year. Next, clear off debris. Leaves, dirt, and pollen collect in corners, between boards, and under railings. Left in place, that debris can trap moisture, which is hard on both wood framing and many deck surfaces. Sweep thoroughly, and if needed, use a hose and a mild cleaner to remove grime. For composite decks, follow the manufacturer's cleaning guidance so you do not damage the surface with harsh chemicals or stiff brushes. A clean deck dries faster and is less slippery. If you have a wood deck, spring is a good time to check the last time it was sealed or stained. Look for faded areas where water soaks in quickly instead of beating up. That can be a sign the finish is wearing away. Cleaning, allowing the wood to dry, and then applying a fresh coat of sealer or stain can help protect against sun and water. For composite products from companies like Fiberon, you usually focus on cleaning, not sealing, which simplifies this step. Now let us talk about drainage around and under the deck. Water should not sit against posts, footings, or the ledger area at the house. Check that downspouts are directed away, soil slopes away, and any underdeck drainage systems are clear. On elevated decks, look up from below and see if there are dark, damp areas that stay wet long after rain. That can point to leaks or poor airflow that may need attention. Summer maintenance is mostly about staying ahead of dirt and checking high-use areas. Outdoor kitchens, grill zones, and stair landings see more spills and foot traffic. Clean grease and food quickly so they do not stain or create slick spots. Check that any mats or rugs are breathable so they do not trap water against the surface. If you use composite decking, such as Trex or similar products, basic soap and water is often enough to keep things in shape. Before fall and winter, repeat a shorter version of the spring check. Look for loose rails, cracked boards, and clogged gaps between deck boards where leaves have caught. Clearing these before snow and ice arrive helps meltwater drain instead of sitting on the surface. In icy weather, be careful with de-icing products. Some chemicals or metal shovels can harm certain deck materials. When in doubt, ask about what is safe for your specific surface. At Tough Deck Builders St. Louis, we design decks to handle our local weather, but even the best structure benefits from a little care. You can reach our team at 314-309-3595 or visit toughdeckbuilderstlouis.com if you want help assessing an older deck, planning repairs, or upgrading to lower maintenance materials. A quick inspection and a simple maintenance plan can add years to the life of your outdoor space. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders St. Louis. A few smart checks in spring and fall can keep your deck strong, safe, and ready for another season outside. We will be back soon with more clear, practical tips to help you build and maintain outdoor spaces that are built solid, built right, and built to last.